Okay. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle, aka Jaylana, and today I am showing you how I achieve these box braids, y'all. This, who are you? Okay, so I'm gonna talk about this twice because I wanted to do an intro where I looked hot, and then I also had an intro when I was just getting started. So I thought it'd be nice to overview the whole thing, and I've been wearing this style for 3 days now, so I really like it. And yeah, it's pretty cool. But I don't really have any problems with this hair. I thought that box braids, the jumbo ones, were gonna be heavy, but honestly, to me, this is not really heavy at all. I used 7 packs of pre-stretched hair. It was not heavy to me at all, and I just used a little bit of color in the back. I don't know if I would have done that. I mean, it's cool because it's in the back, you know. I like the fact that I put black in the front because I feel like that just looks better to me, considering that my hair is black. So I put a little bit of color in one piece on the front, but it doesn't really make a huge difference. So yeah, and I'm just wearing my hair completely down. You can wear it up if you want to. It's really flexible. I really love it, and honestly, it's hip length. If I stand up, it is touching my butt, but like that. Sorry, let me fix myself. But it is touching my butt. This style is really cool. I really love it, and I really have no complaints. So yeah, 7 packs of pre-stretched hair. It took about not 5 hours, I'm lying. I started at 7 and I ended at 10:50, so it took about 4 hours, 3 hours and 45 minutes, I guess is what you can say. And then yeah, it was just a comfortable, easy style. Nothing wrong with it. I can go ahead and easily continue to oil my scalp and make sure my scalp is moisturized, and I just sleep with a scarf on at night, and then I do my baby hairs in the morning. Yeah, so that's about it. If you guys like this video, want to see more, make sure you continue watching till the end, and then you can also follow me on my social medias at lovelyjaylana, and then my Snapchat at jlove, and then you can also follow my Instagram for my hair page. It's at Beauty Hair in LA because I am a traveling hairstylist located in Los Angeles area. So yeah, I hope y'all like it. I'm gonna be posting a picture today because I haven't been active on Instagram at all, really. I don't know why, but I haven't. So I feel cute, so now I'm going to. You feel me? Shot, I'm drinking. Alright, so I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye. Honestly, my hair's deep conditioning, so I'm just gonna rinse this out and then kind of air dry my hair. My hair does not work the best if there's product, if it's wet. So I have to wait till my hair is like a little bit air dried so I can start applying product for it to start acting right. So yeah, and you know, if you're just watching this video just to see what the jumbo braids look like, whatever, if you want to try them on yourself, if you want to go to somebody else and get them done, I am personally a hairstylist. You can follow me on my Instagram at Beauty Hair in LA. I do hair. I'm located in the Los Angeles area, so I do travel to you, but I can't stress enough how important it is to have pre-stretched hair. Like, honestly, I don't know why people don't charge extra to like stretch the hair, because I'm thinking like, when this wasn't made, you have to think about it. It takes a lot of time. See me having to like stretch the hair, and it takes about 20 minutes depending on how many packs I'm gonna open or stretch. So maybe I'm just being extra. You can let your opinion be free in the comments, you know, be nice about it though. Anybody got time to be hearing negativity and all that. But I just personally think that pre-stretched hair saves a lot of time and a lot of work for the braider, whoever is braiding. So I'm gonna show y'all the brand that I got, and I really like this brand because it's not too thin and it's long enough to my liking. It's gonna be down to my butt, okay? So enough of the rambling. I'm gonna come back and my hair is gonna be a little bit air dried. Maybe I decided to blow dry it. I don't know. I'll let you know. But yeah, that's basically it. So thank you for tuning into this video. If you really like this video or you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe, and you can follow me on my Instagram and my Snapchat. It'll be linked here, and yeah, I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Okay, so I just wanted to show y'all. Like, as a natural, because I am a natural, like, guru or whatever. Not really, not like the real ones, but I just want to show y'all what my hair looks like with no product. And you guys get into these curls that are just, this is my hair with no product at this point, because I rinsed out my deep conditioner. Literally, this is just my hair, like, moisturized, and okay, it's a little frizzy right here, but my hair is just naturally frizzy. So it's probably been like an hour since I've been outside, maybe like 45 minutes, but y'all, this is me. Okay, like, it's kind of embarrassing the way that this just structures, and it's not even that short. The shrinkage is somewhere else in life. It's right here. So don't let it fool you, but it kind of does. Anyway, so I just want to let y'all know my hair is super soft, moisturized, everything, whatever. And how are you going to transform this into braids? Like, how does that even work? It's going to work. Watch.
Hey guys, so I'm doing my little voiceover, and it's just so funny watching myself trying to explain to y'all what I'm doing. But so I have 3 parts in my head, like sections, I mean. So for this first row, I'm doing jumbo box braids once again. So I'm going to be doing 4 big braids on the first row, and I'm just showing you guys how I like parted that, and I sectioned them off and put clips on each section. And so my hair looks so dry, it's almost disgusting. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some Eco Styling Gel. See, I'm looking confused trying to figure out what I'm going to do. But I actually did this wrong. I meant to put on some moisturizer first. Duh, we all know that, right? Put moisturizer on first, and I'm going to grab that. It's going to be the Eco Styling Leave-In Conditioner, I believe. I didn't like that for my hair at first, but I realized, like I said, that putting products on my hair while it's completely dry works the best. So that is how my hair absorbs product, which is great. But yeah. So when you want to be the most gentle with your hair is when you're detangling, so you can prevent breakage and stuff like that. So you start from the bottom, and you see like my hair acting a little rough right there, but I felt like it wasn't that bad. Maybe it was because it was dry. But yeah, so I am just starting from the bottom and going up to the root, and then I'm going to apply some more Eco just at the root because I know I did it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some Black Panther. The Black Panther edge control feels so good, and it smells amazing. And I'm also going to be using the rubber band method, because since these are bigger parts, I don't want my hair to like frizz up super fast because I didn't like secure it at the root. So I'm going to be securing it with rubber bands. So then I just repeat the same thing to the rest of the 3 sections on the first row, and then I'm gonna start braiding. So I'm gonna just speed it up or cut it out or something.
Y'all, just for my interest, I thought it'd be like super satisfying to show you guys like how my hair curls up. Like, and my hair is very healthy. Like, this looks so juicy, moisturized, and mind you, because there's product in it, it's not dry. But I applied this on my dry hair, and this, the definition is absolutely crazy. So I already know I'm gonna try a wash and go soon. So please pray for me. And I know it'll work best if my hair is dry. So yeah, sound good. What y'all think? Alright, sorry, I'll continue.